Assalamu alaikum dear doctors, welcome to question solving session. Today's question asking us what is the most likely diagnosis. They give us 5 options. These are A. Scarlet fever, B. Infectious mononucleosis, C. Rubella, D. Dengue fever and E. Typhoid fever. The question is a 10-year-old child presents with fever rash. He had fever, vomiting, sore throat 3 days ago. Examination rash, erythematous blanching rash, most prominent in axilla, groin, also linear petechiae in skin flexure. So, what is the diagnosis? Here, the rash first to appear in groin, axilla, following a sore throat, suggests the diagnosis of scarlet fever. Pastier's sign also may be seen, linear petechia. So, the best answer is here A, that is scarlet fever. Now, I am explaining about scarlet fever. It is an acute illness with fever, pharyngitis and erythematous rash. Its incubation period is about 2 to 5 days or 1 to 7 days. Please remember this incubation period, it comes on the exam. It is the organism responsible for that is group A Streptococcus. Scarlet fever results from infection with group A streptococcal strains that produce erythrogenic toxin disease, usually with pharyngeal infection, but rare cases follow streptococcal infection at other sites. Example, wound infection, impetigo. Those affected infections up to 3 weeks. Clinical feature, rash. Erythematous and blanch on pressure initially appear on the tongue, become generalized within a few hours to several days. Face is flushed with circummoral pallor and there is increased erythema in skin fold, Pastier's lines. Skin fold rough, similar to sandpaper. Rash fades over 1 week followed by desquamation which lasts for several weeks. A strawberry tongue, rough, erythematous swollen tongue, and pharyngeal erythema with exudate. Diagnosis with clinical feature and isolation of group A streptococci on throat culture. Treatment 10 days of orally administered penicillin or single dose benzathine penicillin G. Treatment option is also important, it comes on the exam. 10 days of orally administered penicillin or single dose benzathine penicillin G. Complications of scarlet fever is suppurative cellulitis, non-suppurative glomerulonephritis and rheumatic fever. So, scarlet fever mainly presented with fever more than 38.3 degrees Celsius, headache, lymphadenopathy, malaise, nausea, red cheek, rash, day 2 to 5 of illness, starts on necks and face then spreads, sore throat, red or purulent tonsil, strawberry tongue and tachycardia. It may be presented with its complication like cerebral abscess, glomerulonephritis, meningitis, myocarditis, osteomyelitis, pneumonia, quinsy, sinusitis, rheumatic fever, sepsis, skin discoloration and venous sinus thrombosis. One thing differentiating point scarlet fever and Kawasaki disease is that in scarlet fever there is no conjunctivitis present, which is the diagnostic criteria present on Kawasaki disease. So this is all about today's question and we are seeing an image on this question that is presenting strawberry tongue, erythroderma and Pastier's lines, linear petechiae in flexural areas and sandpaper rashes. So this is all about scarlet fever. Please check my description box and topic discussion that your confusion will be clear. Please do subscribe and share my channel everyone. Thank you.